Hello, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonali Sinha and today's video is a continuation of the Doha travel series. My earlier video in this series was all about the unique banana island in Doha, which you guys enjoyed a lot. So if you are eager to find out about my experience in this beautiful city of Doha, then do stick around till the very end and now let's begin. तो बनाना आइलैंड से फेरी लेके मैं पहुंच गई फेरी स्टेशन और वहां से ले ली है मैंने लोकल कैब विच टुक मी टू माई सुपर लग्जूरियस स्टे फॉर 2 days इन दोहा सिटी, द सेंट रीजस दोहा. The moment I stepped in, I knew I was definitely in for a treat. The decor, plush interiors, hospitable staff, and just the aura transported me into a world of comfort and magic instantaneously. After super smooth completion of checking in, I was taken to my room. Oh my god, and what a room it was. I think till date this is one of the best rooms I have stayed in. It had everything from carpet flooring to super comfy mattress to absolutely sparkling clean linen to complimentary sweets. My day was already made. The view from up here was also gorgeous. If I had to just be here all day without going anywhere also, I would have been content. Nope, just kidding. But on a serious note, this hotel has surpassed my every expectation of a luxury hotel. थोड़ा रिलैक्स करके चाय पी के आई वॉज ऑल रेडी टू एक्सप्लोर दिस ब्यूटिफुल सिटी, तो मैंने कर ली वहाँ की लोकल कैब बुक. जनरली इन दोहा द कैब ड्राइवर्स कन्वर्स इन इंग्लिश, बट ये जो कैब मैंने बुक की थी इसका ड्राइवर वॉज सो फ्लुएंटली स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी. बाहर की किसी भी कंट्री में जाके अगर हमारी भाषा बोलने वाले लोग मिल जाते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कोई अपना मिल गया हो, इजंट इट? एक इंस्टेंट कनेक्ट हो जाता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड हियर. We had endless conversations about random things and he was sharing small details about his family back home which made me just happy listening to it.
हमारे बीबी वो ये कर रहा था, देखो ये साफ कर रहे कितने मक्खन निकलता.
This is the best part of travel. Wherever you go, you meet so many different people, have different conversations, which becomes a part of your travel memoirs. And these people indirectly become a part of it. Isn't that so interesting? Okay, amidst all of this, I reached the gorgeous Gate Mall. इस ब्यूटिफुल गेट मॉल में गई थी टू विजिट द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग म्यूजियम ऑफ इल्यूजन्स. वहां जाने से पहले आई थॉट ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग द मॉल फॉर अ बिट. So I walked a bit, saw the mall around, definitely well made. It houses some good brands and eateries too. There were picture-worthy spots also which were cute, like the Volkswagen Matador which was looking so chic kept over there, so I clicked a couple of pictures next to it and then headed to the museum for which I was very excited. अब ऐसे इल्यूजन म्यूजियम्स तो बहुत जगह हैं, लेकिन इतना अच्छा यहाँ दोहा में ही है. तो अगर आप दोहा सिटी में हो विद किड्स और नॉट विद किड्स डजंट मैटर, यहाँ आना तो बनता है. In this museum, you are bound to easily spend an hour or a little more as there are quite a number of things to do and see inside. Kids will surely be in for a treat here. Moreover, here you will be accompanied by someone from the museum to explain about each and every illusion beautifully. Hands down the best experience irrespective of whatever age you are. It's a must do for sure. Oh my god. म्यूजियम से बाहर निकलने के बाद I explored the mall again for a bit and found some really cool props set up on the ground floor for kids, like the moving tree and the dinosaurs, etc. All in all, it was a fun, well-spent afternoon. इसके बाद I headed back to the hotel for some in-house activities and to just relax in this gorgeous property. तो वापस आते हुए almost शाम हो गई थी. I went for a walk outside in the gardens and noticed a movie night happening right there. बस क्या था फिर? It was me and popcorn and the movie. I had a super fun time. Sometimes, even while traveling, doing minimal things is all you need, which actually make you happy, and that's what I did. Perfect end to a perfect night. It's day 2 और क्योंकि मेरे होटल के सामने ही बीच है, I thought of starting the morning by having a quiet walk on the beach. After which I had a super yummylicious breakfast. मुझे बाहर निकलते निकलते थोड़ा लेट हो गया था thanks to my super cozy and comfortable mattress on which I lazed around for a bit. So by the time I left, it was already time for lunch. मैंने पहले ही ढूंढ लिया था पास ही में कैलाश पर्वत था तो फिर क्या. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you know my love for हिंदुस्तानी खाना. बहुत देर तक हम बिछड़ के रह नहीं सकते, तो मैं फटाफट पहुंच गई कैलाश पर्वत क्योंकि यही एक ऐसी चेन है जो हर जगह मिल जाएगी. यू नेम द प्लेस एंड इट्स देयर. एम्बियंस काफ़ी अच्छा था, पीसफुल, तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया पालक पनीर और रुमाली रोटी और खाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी था. पेट पूजा करने के बाद आई स्ट्रेट हेडेड टू द नियर बाय सूक मार्केट. दोहा का सूक मार्केट बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, वर्थ विजिटिंग, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू विजिट दिस वन.
Okay guys, so right now I am at Souk Waqif, which is a souk market. You have to walk and cover the whole market, and there are a lot of shops, a lot of things to buy and see, spices and a lot of stuff. So I'm going and seeing and checking out how it is going to be. Let's go.
This souk market is one of a kind, typically known as the Souk Waqif. It opens at around 7:30 a.m. for coffee and tea and remains open for as long as 11 p.m. in the night. It has quite a vibe of its own with tense alleys filled with shops in every nook and corner. You will also find restaurants and cafes here in abundance. This is easily one of the best experiences Doha has to offer. It is also a perfect place to pick up pocket souvenirs clubbed with unforgettable culinary marvels at the local cafes. Also, this is a great place to shop for spices, dry fruits and candies as well. तो यहाँ इस छोटी सी शॉप में मुझे काफ़ी सस्ते और अच्छे रेट्स में यहाँ के फेमस डेट्स मिल गए. After a little more strolling around the place, I left from here to go to the next most famous mall of Doha city, the Villaggio Mall. The best thing about this mall is the charming indoor canal offering gondola rides, and hence this is a must-visit destination in Doha. This mall has tourists coming in large numbers every day just to witness the unique setup and gorgeous architecture and decor. It also has a lot of food and shopping to offer, along with beautiful nooks and corners worth clicking pictures. Many brands run discounts here, so you can definitely check that out as well. It is such a huge space, even after having so many people together, it doesn't feel crowded at all. There is a lot that this mall offers for kids to enjoy, one of which is an ice rink open for ice skating, which is at the top floor. Here you will also come across a huge food court with plethora of different eating options. At this point I was really hungry, so here for dinner I opted to visit the most famous legendary singer Asha Bhosle's restaurant named Asha's. The ambience is Indian themed with Asha Ji's songs playing in the background, which I loved as she's always a treat to listen to. खाने में मैंने ऑर्डर किया दाल मखनी और तंदूरी रोटी, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी था. I enjoyed the food, it was super delicious.
The restaurant.
This is the best restaurant in, Gulf country. Whenever you come to the Qatar or Saudi or Dubai or anywhere, just visit us. You will get the best food and best service from this restaurant. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
If you wish to go on the gondola ride, it is 10 Qatari each. There is also a theme park here where you will get a band of 50 Qatari in which you can take multiple rides. Plenty of options for everyone here. A must-visit mall for sure. I spent 2 days in Doha and this was all I could explore, keeping it quite relaxed and fun at the same time. And believe me, I had a super amazing time. This was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with some exciting travel content. Until then, stay super happy and healthy guys. Bye bye.